Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to fix Roblox Error Code 279 step by step. Let's get started. First, restart Roblox completely. Close the game in launcher, then reopen it. They often resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Error 271 is usually related to network issues. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection, or reset your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Next, disable your firewall or antivirus temporarily. Sometimes security software block Roblox connection. Remember to enable it after testing. Update Roblox to the latest version. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. You can force an update by reinstalling the game from the official website or your app store. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can interfere with Roblox servers. Finally, clear Roblox cache file. On Windows, press Win+R and type %temp% and delete any Roblox related folders. Same on the Mac. And remove Roblox files. To still stack, contact Roblox support and provide details like your username, device, and the steps you've tried. And that's it. You've just troubleshoot Error 279 like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guide. Let me know in the comments if you have other error codes you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.